Bonjour. Today is about adjectives. Usually in English, they are before the noun, always. But in French, they are usually after the noun. But there are some exceptions. So we are looking at the exceptions, okay? When the adjective is before the noun. Okay, so that's what we call brags. Beauty, rank, age, goodness, size. That's bragging. So I'm using that little chart from A Cup of French that I really love. I mean, why bother to redo something that is so well done? So they give you some examples of this adjective that you have to put before the noun. Okay? Beau, joli, un beau livre, un bel homme. So we are going to look at that. Rank, premier, deuxième, dernier. Okay? Jeune, vieux, nouveau, un jeune homme, une jeune femme. Hein? Goodness, bon, mauvais, meilleur, gentil, etc. Et size, petit, grand, gros, long, bref. Okay, and we'll see that there are some little nuance that we can do, but this is a very good first rule that you can rely on this little poster. I'm not sure if it is one, but I really like what they did. Okay, so that's a website that you can check too for more information. So because these adjectives, these specific adjectives are put before the noun, there are some changes that may happen. C'est un bel homme canadien, il habite un beau pays, il a une belle femme. Nouvelle artiste, nouveau style, nouvelle tournée. Vieux monsieur qui habite une vieille maison, c'est un vieil ami. Okay, if you can look at the exception. Beau masculin, belle féminin. We know those. Nouveau masculin, nouvelle féminin. Vieux masculin, vieille féminin. And we have these three, belle, nouvelle, et vieille. Okay, which are masculine, homme, masculin, artiste, un artiste, un ami. So all these are the masculine form, and we use EL form because it is followed by a vowel sound. Homme. Remember that in French we don't pronounce the H. The H does, by itself has no pronunciation. There's no aspiration like in English, which is part of my pronunciation problems. Donc, bel homme, we have a O sound. Nouvel artiste, vieil ami. So that's when we will put that form. Okay? Let's look at the little chart, this one I did. Voilà. So if you have masculin singulier followed by a consonant, you will have un beau bateau, un nouveau campus, un vieux professeur. Okay? If it's still masculin and singular, only singular, okay? But there's a vowel or a H, which means that it is a vowel sound. En is a vowel sound. Remember, it's a voyelle nasale, nasal vowel. Donc, un bel enfant, nouvel ordinateur, vieil ami. And if it's feminine, singular, belle, nouvelle, vieille. Masculin, pluriel, beau, nouveau, vieux. Et féminin, pluriel, belle, nouvelle, vieille. So the only time you will have a change is when you put these three specific adjectives before your noun, and that your noun is masculine, singular, and starts by a vowel sound. You need these three conditions to use belle, nouvelle, vieille. Okay? That's it for today.